and welcome to the SQL Power Suite demo. In this demo, we'll be reviewing our registration and licensing capabilities.
Currently at the login screen to log in to our secure web portal. Once we're logged in, we can see the default screen for all users with an announcement portlet here to check any notifications that have been received from the system. The system can send these notifications in line or by email. Our system is also entirely role-based, which allows different users to gain access to different features and functionalities based on their assigned role in the system. We can see that this user has access to various tabs. In the navigation menu, the Filings and Submitted Filings tabs are used for submitting scheduled filings such as monthly or annual returns. The New Requests, In Progress Requests, and Submitted Request tabs are where new applications can be launched on demand, such as license applications, change requests, or filing extension requests. We're going to start with the New Request tab to walk through an application process that is being automated by the system and make a submission. The New Request tab lists all of the applications that are available to this user, which again is based on their organization and assigned role in the system. An application can be launched by clicking on its name, and we're going to begin by filling out a sample application for a trust license. Here is our interactive online form facility. It highlights validation rules and warnings in real time as a user enters information, so you receive real-time validation and feedback. What you see in red are mandatory fields that must be filled in. Any red fields can also signify errors that must be corrected before completing a submission. This form facility is used to collect any type of information from your regulated entities, including financial returns or pre-inspection forms. As we navigate below, there are also tables where additional rows can be added by clicking on the plus sign. These are used in cases where applicants may have more than one entry for a specific item. In this case, the applicant can enter information from multiple agents. The online form facility saves data on a field-by-field basis, and industry users can return to the form to complete it over multiple sessions if they need to. When the form is ready for submission, we will click on Validate to check the form for any errors. On this page is where all remaining validation errors and warnings are listed. If there are no fatal validation errors that prevent this user from submitting the form, the Submit button will be enabled. Upon submission, the system uses single sign-on to place a digital signature on the application using our integrated Notorious signing facility. Signing the document will place a name, date, and timestamp. As we navigate to the In Progress Request tab, we can see the application we just submitted. In this list, completed tasks are displayed in gray, and tasks pending completion are displayed in blue. We can see that our next step is to pay an application fee. This process is currently using our internal payment processing system, but we can integrate with third-party payment systems using API. The software also has built-in workflows to support other payment methods, such as cash or check and escrow. We will fill in the payment details so we can complete and process this payment. You can see that the status has been updated as payment received, and there are no more tasks to be completed by this user at this time. Now, I will log in as an analyst user. Here we can see that the analyst has received a notification that an application has been submitted. Now, we will click on the In Progress Request tab. Here we will see two tasks have been generated. One is to review the application, and the other is to complete a manual decision for the application review. The analyst can open the submitted form, which will now be in read-only format. This prevents any changes from being made to the form by human error or tampering after submission. If the analyst requires any changes or additional information, they can use the amendment feature by right-clicking on a specific field, or we can request an amendment of an entire table. In this case, the analyst will act on a manual decision to approve or reject this application. However, other options can be added, including partial approval or conditional approval. In addition, various levels of review can also be added to the workflow for ultimately reaching this decision-making step. Next, we can see the final step is certificate generation. We can open the certificate by clicking on its name. Here we can see the text on the certificate can dynamically change based on the information provided by the applicant. It can populate the applicant's details, issue dates, and calculate expiry dates, as well as list specific conditions or applicable bylaws directly on the certificate.
If you have any questions or would like to explore the solution further, you can contact us by email at info@sqlpower.ca or visit our website.